Hello, everybody. I'm Jana. I'm super excited to be here. I'm the CEO of ScientiCore. So this is also me. This is me in the lab like 2 years ago. I was a little bit younger. I was running an experiment for tens of thousands of euros. And yeah, it was Saturday, and probably any other researcher is doing the experiment right now. So I was doing my PhD in a gene therapy company called Unicure. And we were developing a gene therapy for Huntington's disease. So this was many people involved, hundreds of thousands of euros, right? The problem is, which is really, really frustrating about this, is that there was a next door university working in a similar project, also on Huntington's disease, and we did not know about each other's work, and that we can push therapy faster to patients. So this is not an isolated event. It happens to every researcher around the world, either in academia or in industry, small or established. Basically, what we do, we keep reinventing the wheel over and over again. And we're supposed to be the smart ones. All right, so this year alone, we spent $2.3 trillion on research and development. And it takes more than 15 years to get a drug to the market. This is really, really frustrating me. And I think, imagine we can save 25% of time and cost. What else we can do? How can we impact the world? Well, currently, this is really, really difficult. And the problem is that as researchers, we do not share our data. 85% of data as researcher we keep in our personal drives. I mean, why would I share my data? Because right now the problem is that any stakeholder in the research ecosystem is lacking the incentives to start sharing data. So me as a researcher, if we go back to the experiment that I was doing, spending hundreds of thousands of euros, why would I share my data in an open access if somebody can come, take my data, use it, and I will not get credit back? So this is really old problem. Everybody knows about it. Everybody discusses about it. But what is really, really good is that now we can solve it. And this is because we have technology and we have already happening sharing culture within the research community. This is the reason why I shifted a little bit from science and I co-founded ScientiCore. What we offer is a scientific data and knowledge exchange platform. What we do is we connect every stakeholder in the research ecosystem through data and knowledge in order to collaborate, co-create together for the benefit of all. So sharing requires a community of trust, security, accountability, and a fair reward system. And we can offer all of those by using the right technology in the right way. So in order for our company and our platform to succeed, we need everybody to win. So this is the first time that we offer a researcher control and recognition for sharing data. Publications, right? Everything can be traced on the platform. Now for the university, for the first time, we also offer insights into their own institutional IP. And for industry clients, we offer data-driven findings that they can fast-track their drug discovery programs. Everybody wins, right? So we have so far received interest and support from leading institutes and key opinion leaders around the world. But what is more interesting for us is now that we have partnered with an academic collaboration hub with access to more than 50,000 research communities. Imagine what we can do together. So how do we make money? Well, our business model is based on subscription for researchers, universities, and also commercial clients. And on top of this, we charge commission fee on data transactions. So I would not be able to do this alone, right? I needed to create a perfect formula for a startup. And this is the reason why I joined Antler and where I got to meet my amazing co-founders. Serial entrepreneur Shirt, he has been through this several times. He brings extensive expertise in business, startups, and fundraising. And we also have our own in-house tech guru, because this is a deep tech, and we need also AI and machine learning. And I cannot think of a better person than Mersat. On top of this, we have recently also signed two key advisors with the right expertise and background who can give us the right introductions and push the platform further to patients. All right, so we're on a mission to really truly democratize science. What we want to do is we want to accelerate scientific breakthroughs and ultimately bring therapies faster to patients. Today, data is compared to oil, and we are dedicated to bring some pipelines to researchers. If this resonates with you and you want to know how and more details, please come to us. We would love to talk to you. Thank you very much.